How to change hair color in Picsart. Curious how you would look with a new hair color? Here's how to change it in Picsart. First, upload your photo and go to the draw or brush tool. Select the color you want and paint carefully over the hair area. Lower the opacity or change the blend mode to soft light for a more realistic finish. You can also use the selection tool first to isolate the hair and make painting easier. Once it looks natural and polished, hit apply and save your edit. What color would you try first? Pink, blue or classic blonde? Let me know in the comments below. Use multiple shades and soft edges for a more realistic hair texture. And that's how you can change hair color in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.